What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new, make sure to subscribe for more tech and money related videos. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can buy and sell cryptocurrency Bitcoin using an application called Coinbase. So this method does not only work for Bitcoin but also for any other cryptocurrency that you're interested in buying or selling. So if that sounds interesting, let's hop straight into the video. So I'll launch my app. So this is how the Coinbase interface looks like. So I'll first show you on how you can buy, then later I'll show you on how you can sell. So where you want to click is on buy, which is located on your top right. So you simply select the cryptocurrency that you are interested in, but for this video and for illustrational purposes, I'll show you on how you can buy Bitcoin since it's the most common cryptocurrency. So I'll click on Bitcoin. And by the way, for you to buy, you need to have a payment method. I created a video on how you can add a bank card, which is one of the payment methods, to your Coinbase account so that you can withdraw or deposit money in your Coinbase account. So I'll leave the link of the video in the description below. And as you can see on top there, it's ZMW. That's my native default currency for the country I'm in. So depending on what country you are in, it will vary or it will change. So if I was in the USA, it would have shown USD, which is United States dollar. And if I was in Nigeria, it would have shown Naira. And if I was in South Africa, it would have shown Rand. And just to take note, every card that you are going to add to your Coinbase account will have trade limits. For me, I put my First National Bank card, which has a limit of $30 US. So I just thought of mentioning those few things before showing you on how to buy. To show you how it's done, I'll type any figure. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin worth 10. So I'll click on preview and buy at the bottom. So you'll be brought to this dashboard that shows you a breakdown of the transaction you're about to initiate, which is the amount of Bitcoin you're about to buy, the payment method, and the Coinbase fee that you're going to incur for that particular transaction you're about to initiate. So the total you're about to buy is Bitcoin worth 10 ZMW. So if you're satisfied with that, all you simply do is click on buy and you'd have successfully purchased your Bitcoin. So quickly I'll show you on how you can sell your Bitcoin. So I'll go back, and where you click now is on your top left. So I'll click on sell. So with Coinbase, you can only sell cryptocurrency that you're invested in. So people sell cryptocurrency for various reasons, say because they want to withdraw the money or they want to sell that particular cryptocurrency to invest in another cryptocurrency. For illustrational purposes, I'll try and sell Gala, which I have shares in. So I'll click on max. So I'm selling the maximum Gala I have in my account. So as you can see, the total amount of Gala I'm selling is 18.88, and the charge fee for this transaction I'm about to make is 1.49. So that's basically on how you can buy and sell cryptocurrency using Coinbase. It's pretty much a straightforward process. So if you've learned a few things on how you can buy and sell cryptocurrency in Coinbase, I would appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for sticking out this far. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. I'll gladly respond to each and every one of them. Stay safe, and I'll check you out in the next video. Peace.